Hello students, in this video we are going to solve this math problem using the BODMAS rule. So according to the BODMAS rule, B is the bracket or parenthesis. So this we are going to solve first. Second priority is given to orders or exponents. So example is this for brackets. So in orders and exponents, everything under the under root sign or the square, these will come in the orders and exponents. Next is D and M. So division and multiplication have the same priority from left to right. So this is division or multiplication from left to right. Left to right. And next we have addition and subtraction. These two will follow from left to right. So we'll go from left to right when solving multiplication and division and addition and subtraction together. So first we'll solve the left hand side operation and then the right hand side. So now let's solve this question. The question is 120 divided by 4 plus, I'm going to rewrite it again, 2 times 3 square minus 15. So first we are going to solve the bracket, this one. So the expression will be 120 divided by 4 plus 2 times 3 square is 3 times 3, which is 9, minus 15. So then it will be 120 divided by 4 plus 2 times 9 is 18 minus 15. So this will be 120 divided by 4 plus 18 minus 15. So according to BODMAS, the next step is to solve the division operation. So this is 120 divided by 4. We are going to solve this first. So I'm just underlining that. So 120 divided by 4 will be 4 times 3, 12. So 3 and 4 times 0, 0. So that will be 30 plus 18 minus 15. So now we can solve addition and subtraction from left to right. So left side we have addition. So first we'll solve 30 plus 18, which will give us 30 plus 18 is 48 minus 15. Now 48 minus 15 is 8 minus 5 is 3 and 4 minus 1 is 3, 33. So final answer is 33. Let's revise it once again. So in the expression 120 divided by 4 plus 2 times 3 square in the bracket minus 50. According to BODMAS, first we are going to solve the bracket, which is 2 times 9, 18. After that we are going to solve the division operation. So that's 120 divided by 4, which is 30. Then we have addition and subtraction in the expression, and we'll go from left to right to solve the expression. So we got the answer is 33, and this is how we solve expressions using BODMAS rule. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.